I'm John McErlean, MPD Director of Genesis Crafty here in Magherafelt. Along with my 5 brothers, we run bakery business here, producing award-winning products for Tesco Northern Ireland. My parents bought the bakery in Church Street, Magherafelt in 1968. We grew up surrounded by flour, eggs, buttermilk. Actually, I used the buttermilk can to stand on to help the bakers place scones and trays and chaff sodas, etc. Now 48 years on, we're here every day, all 6 brothers, making baking amazing for all the customers in Northern Ireland and our Tesco stores. But we're not the story really, the baking is. We stick to our age-old recipes, traditional methods and high-quality ingredients for one reason, and that is taste. And there's no great secret about how we get there. Small batches keep the dough soft and moist. Working it by hand gives it extra fluffiness. Hand pressing our butter pastry into the baking trays keeps things right. We're growing all the time too. There are over 220 in our busy bakery right now. There's more to come. Our baking wins awards, including 7 Great Taste Awards this year, 2 of which are our toaster wheaten and our sliced wheaten. We're also shortlisted for the Craft Business Award at the British Baker Baking Industry Awards in September 2016. We've been working with Tesco for 16 years. Our products include pancakes, rolls and baps, scones, sodas, wheatens, and we're looking forward to launching our new cake range later this month. We are proud to support Tesco in the 2016 Year of Food.